Namaste. I formally welcome you all for our episode of The Rhythm. Today, we are going to teach you the medical benefits of dancing over the respiratory system. Breathing is very essential part of life and a vital part of life. But how can we breathe when we are dancing? There is a special technique, and dancing enhances your vital capacity. Dancing tunes up your chest as well as respiratory muscle to take up more air. So highest oxygen uptake happens during dancing. So therefore, it is very good for people who really have respiratory illness. Practicing dance brings down their stress level or respiration. So dancing is good for respiration. Let us see what are the other medical benefits of dancing and role of action or mode of action of dancing over the respiratory system. Here we go.
Dance movements that stretch and expand chest cavity can accommodate more oxygen during inspiration. Dancing enhances motor activity that bring mechanical changes in the muscles. The muscles involved in respiration get greater contractility to fasten the act of respiration. During dancing, there is increase in oxygen demand and increased muscle contractility. Thus, when the diaphragm contracts and pulled downwards, and at the same time when the chest is expanded, there is increased quantity of oxygen entering into the lungs. Stretch exercise during chest expansion makes the rib move more outwards, and naturally during inspiration the diaphragm moves downwards. This increases the volume of thoracic cage and decreases air pressure inside the lungs. This decrease of air pressure inside the lung and increase of thoracic volume causes increased air entry inside the lungs during inhalation. The act of dancing utilizes more energy and there is increased oxygen demand by all the organs. To fulfill this raised demand, lungs have to acquire more oxygen from the environment. To accommodate more oxygen, there is a need of extra space inside the thorax that is provided by the expansion and extra stretching. Thus, the lungs acquire oxygen and heart supplies the acquired oxygen filtered by the lungs. Dancing increases lung capacity, and at the same time, dancing also increases cardiac activity to transport the oxygen to all parts of the body. Hence, dancing helps both lungs as well as the heart to work in coordination, complementing each other. This coordination between heart and lungs improves cellular uptake of oxygen and also provides energy. Thus, dancing helps in gas filtration, acquiring oxygen and supply of the same all over the body. Let's learn Ranga Kramana that can enhance lung capacity. Hold your hands in this way in Kataka Mukha Mudra. Raise your hands above your head in this way. Open up your fingers, changing to Alapadma Mudra. Stand in toes. Open your arms outside. Stretch them. Bend back to the position. Raise, stretch, bend back to the position. Ta, te, ta, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second step is Plavana. Jump as long as possible with arms stretched outside. Turn around and move, making X mark in the place where you stand. Don't worry about the footwork. Jump out, stretch out, and repeat. Jump out, stretch out, repeat. Ta kitta, ta kitta, ta kitta, ta kitta. The third step is also an arm stretch, and it has got least footwork so as not to cause any physical strain but widen your rib cage to fill more air during inspiration. Do this step in slow speed for 15 minutes in total with all ease, with all comfort and with adequate amount of air. Now let's understand the probable mode of action of dancing over the respiratory system. Dancing stimulates smooth muscles in the bronchial tree. This will allow bronchoconstriction followed by the dilatation later. This will cause suction of air inside the trachea. From the trachea, air is transported to different levels of bronchial tree. Hence, finally, the air reaches the alveoli. This increases vital capacity of one's lung. Now let's move to the probable mode of action 2 of dancing over the respiratory system. Dancing increases the muscle activity. This action brings the blood that is accumulated in the remote and unwanted area towards the active area. This is the process of deviation of blood flow from the place where the blood is accumulated and left unused. This will be brought to the side that is actively used. This blood will provide oxygen to the active site of the body that requires extra oxygen as well as energy. Hence, there will be increased oxygen availability to the cells. Probable mode of action 3. As said earlier, dancing increases the muscle activity. Vigorous contraction and dilation of smooth muscles in the bronchial tree causes shedding of accumulated mucus. This accumulated mucus will initiate cough reflex. The person coughs and spits out the sputum or the mucus that is accumulated inside the bronchial tree. This process is called as expectoration of phlegm or mucus. So, removal of phlegm or mucus which was present inside the bronchial tree will clear the airways, and always clear airways will give you easy breathing. Now let us understand the Ayurveda interpretation of dancing on the respiratory system. The quantity of pranavata, that is inhaled air, increases and also facilitates easy elimination of udanavata. Udanavata is a process of exhalation of carbon dioxide. It enhances rhythmic pattern of Puraka, that is inspiration, Kumbhaka, retention, and Rechaka, expiration. The act of Shvasana Kriya or respiration gets enhanced due to regular practice of Natyabhyasa. Nritya or dancing is a form of Vyayama or exercise which increases Kayoshma. Kayoshma is a body temperature. The increased Kayoshma will metabolize Ama. Ama is a toxic element produced by the body due to incomplete digestion and incomplete or improper metabolism. This Ama is responsible for all kinds of diseases in the body. The way to destroy Ama present in the body is by increasing body temperature and enhancing catabolism. By this, the Ama that is present in the thorax and stomach will be destroyed. This gives you easy breathing. Staulya or obesity will cause Shamashwasa. Shamashwasa is exertional dyspnea, that is, when a person does any physical activity and that leads to respiratory distress. When an obese person does any physical activity, he or she will land in respiratory distress. Therefore, an obese person should practice quantized and periodic dancing regularly to reduce obesity. Decreased body weight will not cause respiratory distress. Rather, it gives you adequate and easy breathing. Let's get into the important aspect of the session, precautions while dancing. First and foremost, focus on Ardha Shakti Vyayama. Now, how to understand that you have reached Ardha Shakti Vyayama? The person will start sweating in the forehead, sweating in the temporal region, and finally the sweat drops starts to drool over the sides of the neck, associated with comfortable breathing but not gasping. No sense of any discomfort is a perfect amount of daily workouts. Rest immediately if you encounter Shamashwasa or exertional dyspnea. Do not wear skin-tight or synthetic cloth. Rather, wear loose and comfortable cotton wear. Keep your room well ventilated. For better feel, dance outdoors. Always dance in slow to moderated speed for 30 minutes with adequate intervals. That brings the culmination of tutorial class of this episode, paving the way for dance presentation. In this episode, we brought you the dance forms from different states of South India, starting with Yakshagana, the folk dance drama from coastal Karnataka, the elegant Mohiniyattam from Kerala, the exquisite dance form Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, ending with beautiful classical dance form Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, inspired from various classical and folk artists.
ಧೀಂ ತತಕ ದಿನ 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 ಧೀಂ ದಿನ ಧೀಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದಿನ ಧೀಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದಿನ ಧೀಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದಿನ ತೈದ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗೃಗದಿನ್ನಾದೇಂ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗೃಗದಿನ್ನ ತೈದ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗೃಗದಿನ್ನಾದೇಂ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗೃಗದಿನ್ನ ತೈದ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗೃಗದಿನ್ನಾದೇಂ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗೃಗದಿನ್ನ ತೈದ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗೃಗದಿನ್ನಾದೇಂ ದಿನ್ನಾದೇಂ 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 ತಕದ ದಿನ ದಿನ ಕದಿನಲ ದಿನ ತಾತಯ ತಾರೇಂ ತದಿನ ತಾರೇಂ ತದಿನ ತಾರೇಂ ದಿನ ತಾತಯ ತಾರೇಂ ತದಿನ ತಾರೇಂ ತದಿನ ತಾರೇಂ